In a bustling city, SensorTech thrives as an important sensor manufacturer for autonomous vehicles. Yet, hidden within their complex global supply chain is a menace. SensorTech's supply chain is intricate, extending into deep, obscure tiers. Visibility into these tiers is limited, leaving SensorTech and many others in the dark. Unbeknownst to them, one of their suppliers faces an unexpected material shortage due to unforeseen problems, triggering a chain reaction of disruptions. Material scarcity ripples through SensorTech's supplier network, causing production delays and order backlogs. The Hidden Problem Detector is designed to address hidden supply chain challenges head-on. The model employs a graph-theoretic approach to analyze component criticality, exposing concealed pitfalls that disrupt production. It begins by creating a dynamic knowledge graph using bill of materials data, establishing relationships between components. The model then enriches this graph with real-time market data from trusted sources like Octopart. The model identifies critical components that can disrupt the supply chain by employing 4 graph-theoretic matrices to assess component criticality in a supply chain. Let's delve into the model's operational steps. The Mapper module transforms bill of materials data into a dynamic knowledge graph, interconnecting components and manufacturers through its component and its substitute relationships. The Semantifier module enhances the knowledge graph by fetching electronic component data from Octopart, expanding it to include component names, manufacturer details, categories, median prices, market availability, and lead times. The Criticality Controller scrutinizes the knowledge graph using graph-theoretic matrices. Last, the Hidden Problem Detector regularly collects and aggregates actual market data, enabling the model to track market trends for critical components. It identifies severe shortage trends, like decreasing market availability coupled with increasing price and lead time for critical components. When such trends occur, it triggers alerts for end users, presenting critical component details and market data to justify the shortage trend.